Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to get the data from the XML file to a log file. So first I will show you how to create the XML file through input notepad form. So first I will open the notepad. So here we will add some test data. So for that I will use school. I have added some test main tags. Now add the inside tags. I have added this test data. So now I'm saving this notepad form. So here we can add the file name. Test file1 dot xml. For notepad text form we will use the .txt. Now I am converting to .xml file. So this is our input file. So now we will use the to create the bot. So click on here to create a new task bot. Now here enter the task name, get XML data to log file. So new task is created. Now task is created, get XML data to log file. So here what we are doing now, we have the input file .xml. Now those XML data we need to get the data from the XML file and save it in the log file. So for that first I will add the try and catch plugs. For every task we need to add the try and catch plugs. For if you get any errors it will throw the errors. So for that, so here I am creating the error message. Default error message is there. This is the variable. Whenever we get any error, that error message this variable show you, and line in which line you are getting the error. So I created. Now our task is to open the XML file. So in these actions we have the XML functions. So these all are the XML functions. By using this we are opening the file and getting the data. So for that first we need to open the XML file. So for that I am starting this section, at the same time taking the end section as well. So the task section name is default by default, so we are not changing anything. Now choose the file where it is located. So I am choosing the desktop file and selecting the XML file. So now go to the documents. So here we have created the XML file, selecting the file. So file is selected with the .xml file. This is the input file. So now we need to get the data from this XML file. So for that using the get single node action. 3 tested data, so I am using 3 times. So now we need to write the expression to get the data. So here first main tag is school, then ID, getting the data through this expression, and we need to save that data in a variable. I am using the same ID. and then next school, then I'm opening the file, the notepad. So name, second tag is name. I'm copying the name here, passing the variable name as name, and the third one is school, and then location, and passing that variable to location only. This is the output variable. So now we are already getting the data. Now we need to cross check whether we are getting the proper output or not. So for that we need to cross check using the message box. Now here we need to call the all the output variables: id, name, and then location. We will get all the data from this message, and then our task is get XML data to log file. So in actions, log file, log to file. So here you can pass the same variables, output variables, whatever the data we will get, keep the same in here, and select the output path. So here I am selecting the same input path only. Now at end I am changing the file name, output dot txt, text file. So I am saving. And we need to add one more message catch block. So add one more message box. If you get any errors, catch block will throw the errors. So error message, and then error line number. So error line number is does not return a string value, so we need to convert to toString. Then save. Now run the task. Now before running the task, input files must be closed. So now I am closing the input file. Now I am running the bot. So it will download all the dependencies using for the actions, whatever the actions we are using, it will download the dependencies. Then it will run the task, open the XML, and then get the data. So here we are getting two task data only. So we'll check. So it is completed. Now we'll check where it is missing. ID, school, and then ID we are written the expression. Open this with notepad. See here ID we are not passed anything, so that's why I'm adding the ID. Now save. Again we will run the bot. So for that, in the log file we need to keep override because it is already run. So this name and location already added, so that's why I am overriding. In this new run it will add ID, name, and location only once. So save and run. Downloading the dependencies related to using actions. So see, now we got the all the data. It is completed. So now we will see log file. So log file is created, the data is updated. So like this you can get the data from the XML file to log file. Thank you.